Well, today's the day. We're gonna try and put this over the top. I cut it to length and width, unfolded it. I don't know who packages this stuff, but it's not just pull it out and it's all folded on top of each other, so I had to unfold it, but I got it. All right, this might end up bad, but we're gonna give it a shot. We're bellied up to the bar here at Dick's.
It's not just a picture. It's real life.
It's real. This is us. This is us. I took some cedar lath. You can see it. It's just scrap. It's got the nice rounded edge. And I'll drill a hole through here. Tie my plastic up around the top.
Arrive in a box, telling of things that you do. Some things are held balanced and bound, and others are magnets with no need for glue. Pulling things apart is a test of their heart, and surely they truly have duly been proved. One more year, won't you stay a while? The air is different when you're around. The words of the birds are worth less than dirt. They make a fine nest, but a miserable stew. So let them all chirp. That's how their minds work. It isn't a dot on the map, and the way has already proved true. Pulling things apart is a test of their heart, and surely they truly have duly been proved. One more year, won't you stay a while? The air is different when you're around.
Well, I got it. It was a little hairy there for a minute, but I got enough strapping to go down each one, but I don't have enough screws. But I think it'll be good for tonight. It's almost 4 o'clock now, my time, so I think that'll hold it, hopefully for the wind anyways. We're gonna find out. All right. Not too bad. Got some trimming to do. You can do that on the inside. It's nice and dry. Little bits in the corners I gotta lock down. And I think I'll take that little section out of there. Tomorrow, I'm gonna put that door in. Right there. All right, looks good. Well, I got the plastic up, trimming it out. This is just temporary. I plan on putting polycarbonate up here, four foot sheets, 10 foot long. So this stuff is just I want to get through this crisis first. You know, I'm gonna date it right now. This is March 27th, 2020, in the middle of the COVID-19 crisis. So I didn't want to spend the extra money on the polycarbonate panels. This was a cheaper alternative, but I'm happy with it. Seems pretty good. We'll see when the wind starts blowing. I'm gonna strap it down a little bit more, but all right.